Okay, friends, so we are starting with the next topic, and that is your topic number 18, and that is the track changes. Now, very important topic. So, in this, what happens? You have a document, and it is on a shared drive, and somebody opens your document and he makes some changes. This is one scenario. Or the another scenario can be you have a document you have created and now you are sending it to your manager, and your manager sees the document and he makes some corrections into that. So you wanted to see that what you had written and now what changes your manager did. So you want to track the changes in the document. So now what we need to do is you need to open a document as the owner of a document. You will go to the review tab, which is on the top. And here you get an option track changes. So you are tracking whatever is the changes happening in this document. So I just click on it, track changes. Khalas. When you click on track changes, one small thing happened over here. Now it started the new blue color option reviewing, means he's checking. Now you observe what I am doing. Huh? So now let's say I had this file, I sent this file to Ali. Ali sees this file and Ali say, hey Ramzan, dear Miss Jackson, no. Here I need dear Mr. Ali. I need this, for example. So you see what happened when Ali typed, okay, don't put Jackson, put Ali. So here cross came and here. Now when you send this file to me, I will see this. And here it will also say who is the person who has done changes, which date, what. Okay, wait, one more thing. I come over here, I say instead of junior, it should be senior. I made another changes. Now there are two type of changes. One is deleting a data and adding a new text. This is one change. Another is formatting related change. So I saw I'm your manager, for example, and I say this employment background should be in dark. So when I select it and I say bold, control B. Now you see when I said bold, it made bold, but he didn't put the cancellation on that. But here on the right hand side, he said, Ramzan made a changes few minutes ago. He formatted font to the bold. Understanding? Okay. This all changes. I say marketing specialist. I say it should be of a red color and it should be underlined. So if I do formatting related changes, it will come over here. If I do the deleting part, then automatically that X come over here and the new text come. Now what happened? This file, I got it. I had sent you this file. You made some changes. And again, I have got this file. I saw, okay, this guy, Ali or Ramzan, whoever it is, he did the changes. Now what I need to do? I will check this. And again, I go to the review tab and it's now on me to accept or reject. So I come over here and I have an option over here, accept. So when I click on the accept, here it asks me, okay, accept and move to next. So my cursor is on Jackson. So it will accept that changes, go to the another. Then I will see that. Then I say, for example, here, accept this change. So Jackson went and Mr. Ali came. Khalas. Now I came over here. And again, I say, okay, accept this change. And I say, accept and move. So again, he accepted the new changes as junior and he moved to the next one. Or if you think, okay, you have seen everything and all is right. So I can come over here and I say, accept all changes. But you want to accept the changes and your work is done now, then you can take the fourth option, accept all changes and stop my tracking. Or you can even go over here and you say reject changes, reject all changes, and stop tracking. So here I say accept all changes and stop the tracking. Khalas, your work is done. Understood, everybody? So this way a track changes happens in MS Word. Now I will save the file and I can just close that file. So I hope you understood how the track changes work in the Excel, in the MS Word. One more thing over here is you can even do this one more extra thing in track changes. You can even lock the track changes so that when you send it to the other person, let him do whatever changes, but he can't play with that. So what you need to do is you need to first start the track changes, and then you click on this drop down over here, and there is an option lock tracking. Oh, here there is one more option. Just mine means only my tracking you change, whatever I do. Or for everyone means whoever it opens the file and make changes, it should track. You can do that as well. Up to you. So I say lock tracking. So when I say over here AA and AA, so now when I send this file to another person, he can make changes, but he can't remove the tracking. So he will think, okay, let me remove the tracking and let me do anything. He can't do that way. Okay. So yeah, so again I say accept all changes and my work is done. So this was all about the track change. So how you will practice, put the cursor anywhere. First step, click on track changes. Step number 2, make changes. Step number 3, go to the accept or reject and do the changes. Accept all, reject all, and their work is done. Simple. Go ahead and practice track changes now.